Good morning. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Monday, the 18th of August, 2025. So we're starting here with the synoptic and we're looking at lunchtime yesterday, high pressure, basically just to the north of Scotland there, and that's giving us a bit of an easterly flow. That high pressure has remained there overnight and into this morning. Moved a little bit, but not by much. We've still got that easterly flow, and any sort of real weather we've got is out in the Atlantic in terms of weather fronts. But we do have a fair bit of cloud cover to contend with today, as you can see here from the SatPic. And it's going to be a while before that sort of burns back. I'd imagine at least lunchtime before we get some sun on the ground. Looking at the rain radar, there are showers associated with these occlusions out in the Atlantic to the southwest, and there is one or two showers coming up the Thames estuary there and into also southern areas of London and northern Kent. The rainfall rainfall forecast shows those showers fizzling out as they come from the east, and basically by lunchtime I think we'll be free of any showers in this area if we do see any at all. And that good weather is then going to continue into the evening. As far as the Odium TAF is concerned, they are forecasting 0808 knots, greater than 10k visibility, broken at 1200 feet, and then becoming by about 9 o'clock UTC this morning, broken at 1800 feet, and again between 9 o'clock UTC and 12 o'clock UTC, scattered at 2800 feet. And upwind of us at Farnborough, they're going to be forecasting 0608 knots, greater than 10k visibility, broken at 1800 feet, with a 40% chance that temporarily between now and 9 UTC, which is 10 local, broken at 1200 feet. Spot winds to the north of us, 1,000, 2,000 and 5,000 foot winds, 09015 knots. And to the south of us, the 1,000 foot wind 08025, 2,000, 10015, sorry, and 5,000 is 14010 knots. Windy suggesting on the airfield here that we've got an easterly flow throughout the day, and this is it showing at 7 o'clock in the morning. We'll take that through to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Very little change there. 5 o'clock this afternoon, again, very little change. Local area forecast for this area is showing 8, 9, maybe 10 knots east-northeasterly throughout the day. Very little chance of any precipitation. It is going to be overcast up until about lunchtime with the sun breaking through and perhaps some cumulus forming throughout the afternoon. GFS are suggesting temperature-wise about 23 to 24 centigrade by lunchtime, with the dew point down at about 11. And currently here at Lasham, it's 0800s, it's just under 16 centigrade with the dew point down at 13. And looking at the camera, you can see with that temperature and dew point, we do actually have a fair bit of cloud cover in terms of layer cloud. And moving on to the sort of spot forecast, the cross section for this area. Throughout the morning, certainly up until lunchtime, it's going to be overcast. There's a lot of low-level cloud there, but that's going to break up into what looks to be quite a nice afternoon, maybe a little bit top cover. But we should get something quite sensible out of the afternoon in terms of a little bit of soaring. And if we have a look at top meteo and just run that through hour on hour, you can see there is thermal activity sort of late morning into the afternoon, and you can see as that top cover burns back, it's perhaps going to go blue, but we'll have to wait and see on that. No times today then, there's just 4 that are quite close to us. Sandown and Southampton, which is 2 and 10, they've got parachute jumping. Sandown from 1200 to 1900, Southampton from 1645 to 1730. and then 21 and 22, which are the other side of the odium mats, shouldn't really affect us. Ash Ranges, so Delta 132 is active, and Camberley is Illuminate's been fired from 1700 onwards this evening. Let's move on to the local airfield briefing then. And glider bookings, there's a K21 on the booked instruction. There's a couple of K21s on the 5-day courses. A K21 available for the casual list. There's plenty of single seat availability. There's 4 people on the casual list, 2 of whom are solo, but we will need an instructor. And there's simulator availability as per usual. A quick reminder about the autumn wave camp. Week 1 and week 2 are fully subscribed now, but week 3 still has a few places. If you are interested, it's an excellent expedition. Lots of great flying to be had when the weather's good. And if you want to learn more about it, have a chat with Barry, Evan, or myself. And if you want to book, do so through the main office. 12XL moving today. It's a departure for a maintenance check flight at 10:30 local. And the general situation today is that there's a high pressure, which is still kind of dominant, but it's cooler conditions today. And we've got a moderate easterly flow across the airfield, and there may be some soaring this afternoon. We'll be on runway 09 with the cables on the south. If there is any grid, it will be on 09 grass north today, but I very much doubt that. There will be a grid, and of course, please be ready when the cable or the tug arrives. And please do not land on the disused runways or taxi across on a high speed. That's those 2 runways there. It does cause damage to the towers and wheels. So here's the setup for today. Launch point vehicle will be on the main runway, aero towing off the runway, winching off the grass to the south, and of course landing both sides as per usual. That's it from me today. Have a great day's flying. I shall see you out there at 8:30 when we get the hangar doors open, and we'll get the airfield set up as soon as possible. Have a great day's flying. Please keep it safe.